Welcome, this is Professor Stein with a virtual tutorial on sharing best methods of student outcomes assessment. Let's move to the site. Here we are on Dr. Lehrer's website, Touro Resources All. Please notice on the left it says Course Documents. I click it. We're on the Course Documents page. Please note that there are files down at the bottom that are course specific. 600 course assess, 601 outcomes assess, 601 outcomes assess, and so forth. We're asking professors to share their best methods and practices by completing this form. This tutorial will show you how to do it. Here is the step-by-step instructions. This is the tutorial that you are watching. This email is set up to collect files. The files that you finish would be 600 course assess. We're going to do it for Professor Jane Doe. Here's how it would be done. I'm going to download this file to the computer. I'm going to save it. Notice it says 600 outcomes assess. It's a Word document. I've made a folder in my documents. This is a test folder that I made, and it'll come to my computer with this file name, 600 outcomes assess. I'm going to open this file now. This file resides on my computer. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, well, there's a heading, and here's a place to put in the name, so I think I'm going to put in Jane Doe here. Jane Doe. I'm going to put in the semester, fall 2010. I'll type in fall, and here it asks you to put the week that you assess the student learning outcome. So for student outcome 1, let's see, this one I think I have the students send me a paper on this one, and the paper is due probably week 4. I know that we have students working on class presentations and applying methods and tools with which the history and philosophy of education is studied to historical and contemporary discussions and debates. I think that they're going to be making a presentation to me at about week 8. That's a group presentation. Over here, I may have them make a video and explain this student outcome. That would probably be about week 7. Now there are written tests, so I guess around week 9 I would have a test, a pre-final, and I would cover all of these items. If I do anything other, I could specify it in this column. These are student learning outcomes. They are suggested. You may wish to actually change this learning outcome and substitute another. When you're finished, I just want to show you that in this case there's 13 student outcomes that are suggested. You can again add additional ones here, another. When you're finished, that's it. You put your name, you put the weeks that these topics are covered. We're going to hit save. So I'll move this down so you can see it. Save. The file was in my folder, test, and it's in my folder now. I'm going to close this folder and now send it to Touro R. Lehrer. Well, I just happen to have my Touro email open, and I've compose a message. It's to tourorlehrer@gmail.com. I'm asked to let my site chair, in this case Dr. Stephen Levy, know that I've done this. I write in the file name, 600 outcomes assess. I put in my name, in this case it would be Jane Doe, and I write fall 10. I don't even have to write a message. I'll just put a smiley, and I'm ready to attach a file. Where's the file? Well, I'll browse for it. It's in my documents. There it is, in my test folder. That's the file I downloaded. I click and I hit open, and here it says attach. Okay, this is the attached file, and I'm going to hit send. You've just submitted the file that you completed. Thank you very much.